start again. It's a rich thing.
Baby, it's too hot, too hot, too hot for me. You better run for shelter, you better run and hide. It's too hot, guys. Welcome back to another video. Oh my gosh, is anybody melting? I did melt, but I'm come back to life now. I can't do no nail art. Everything is so drippy and melty and sticky. So I thought I'll just show you a few little bits that I've bought today. Yeah, and I've had a little friend mail turn up that I'm so impressed with from my girl, Just Your Nail Addict. So I will show you what Joe sent me first. So first, what she's been trying to make for me since Christmas, and I've not had it ready. You will have all noticed recently I've changed my channel art, my logo, my intro, my outro. This is my old one, shouldn't be here. But since Christmas, Joe's been trying to make me a new mat, and I've not had my new logo, intro. I wanted it all to be done at the same time. So, oh, sorry, I just hit the dog. I'm so sorry. Look, guys, hey, we've got a new one, and it's matte, so the light won't bounce off it. See, if you notice this one, the light bounces off it. This one, she's made especially in matte, so the light doesn't bounce off it. How cool is that? And look, it fits perfect in my frame. I do like my camera zoomed right in. I love it. It's got my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I love it. But what she's also done, because this is just A4, she's made me another one. This one is bigger. This one is A3. So like it comes right out. So it will cover a bigger area of my desk. But she's still kept the logo in frame. I love it. So I'm going to leave that there for now. I'll leave them both there. I love it. That is perfect. Right. What else did she send me? So she sent me over some more decals. These got crushed a little bit along the way. And these are just all, just little pieces of writing you can put on nails and stuff. This is a typo. It says, I liked it, so it's mine. And it meant to say, I licked it. I licked it, so it's mine. She did a typo. I'm so sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? I'm so good at that. 99% angel, oh, but that 1%. Yeah, just all quirky little shut the fuck up cakes. Love it. Love all these. And some of these are to cut and spread over 3 or 4 nails or whatever. I'm not sure what this is about. I'm going to have to ask her. I'm not sure what that is about. But yeah, love it. Got some more decals. And she sent me this. This is beautiful. So this is a little book. A little diary bookie. Family organiser. How pretty is this? Look, guys. Oh, there's a pen there. I never saw that. Oh, look. Do you know, since last year, Joe sends me my pens. And I think I'm on my 3rd pen. I get through so many pens. And every time my pen runs out, she sends me another. And I think this is the 3rd posh pen she sent me now. Oh, there's a pieb on there, look. A pieb. So, look at this. So, it's just got days of the week. And then it's got notes at the bottom. And it's a big old book. I love it. But at the back, look. It's got all these sticker sheets. I love just anything that helps me organise. I love it. Yeah, I love stuff like this. And it's got a little pocket in the back. Oh no, it's not a pocket, you dickhead. Oh, it's to stand it up like it's to stand it up so you can have it in front of it. I love it. I love it even more now. I've just realised it does that. So it stands up. Love it. I absolutely love that. I've never seen one like that, actually, that stands up. So I'm going to leave that off to the side for a sec. And she's made me something, guys. I'm in love with this. She's made me a little dish for my water decals because I keep using them ugly triangle plastic things. Oh, and it's so pretty, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So it's a little dish and I can just put water in it. Look at the colours, and it matches my whole theme that I've got going on. I absolutely love that. Wow. That is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I don't even want to use it. It is so pretty. So she's bought this dish, just a plain dish, and she's done all this colour, the pink, the white, the glitter. She's done all that herself. I love it. It is so pretty. Oh, this woman spoils me so much. Right, let's get a shimmy on, guys. I'm going to leave just your Nail Addict's channel pinned in my comments. Go over and say hey. I'm just going to quickly show you a few bits I got from Shein because, yeah, the video's ticked on a bit already. Oh, no, these are off Amazon. These are a pack of 10 sticky dots. They are only small rolls, but they're brilliant sticky dots. These are the thick ones. And they're just perfect size to go on your tip display stands. And they are super, super strong. I think it was only $4.99 for the pack of 10. Really cheap. And they're really, really good ones. Best ones I've ever used, actually. Really, really good ones. I use them on my tip display stands for 3 or 4 sets of nails. Like, I just take the nails off and put another set on. They just stay sticky. Right, I got myself another sticker book. I won't open it. I'll show you. Because I've filled 3 already and I'm pretty much halfway through this one. So these are just, you can fit 2 on each page. You can fit 2 in that side and 2 in the back. And I'm halfway, well, I've still got a few left, but I like to keep in front, you know. I'll fill that in no time. So, yeah, I got another one of them. They're just perfect to go on your shelf and just stack them up. I love it. That was off, they was off Amazon. That book was off Shein. Everything else is off Shein now, I think. This is the whole reason. I went on Shein just to get this. And I can't go on there and just buy one thing. It doesn't make sense paying shipping. But I've seen these a lot and I've never bought them. But I didn't know these are metal. I've never seen them in metal. Let's open it. Yeah, I've got loads of these, so I thought I'm not buying no more, but these are metal. They're not plastic. I'm over the moon with these. Did everybody know they were metal? Or was it just me that didn't know? And I'm going to see if this is any better for my my cramps, because I've got my left arm, my elbow is all screwed. It's all screwed together. It doesn't move. I've only got that much movement in it. And I've got all nerve damage in this hand. And holding them little skinny tip display stands, I get such bad cramp. So I'm wondering, I might be able to hold this a bit better. We shall see, but it's pretty, isn't it? If anything else, it is pretty. But I didn't know they were metal. Perfect. They're a lot skinnier, but perfect. I really like that. I like that a lot. I'll leave links below to everything, guys. If I miss anything, just ask me. Right, I got a pack of 10 of these, just because they were something silly, like 99 pence. And they're just teeny tiny little unicorn charms. And they are really tiddy tiny ones. Aren't they cute? Really like them. They're cute. I got some foils. Yeah, let me just open them. So I think these are just packs of 5, and they're the same. Are they the same? Yeah, I think they're the same. Packs of 5. They're only small sheets, but you get 5. I love this bright neon chevron. Oh, they're the same. They're the same. How many times have I said it? Yeah, they're the same. I think they're only 75 pence, so I grabbed a pack of them. I love them. I really, really like them. I'm not going to take these out the packets, guys, because you can see them. They're the same thing. So this is black and white. Did they call it houndstooth or something? And then this one's transparent, but it's got the white on it. So same as that, except where this is transparent, that one's black. Does that make sense? So I got those. What else did I get? Oh, I got some. These are water decals. I thought they were stickers. But I'm glad they're water decals because I've already got these in stickers. I've already got these. So these are just, what do you call it? Animal, snake skin. Just neon colours. So we've got yellow, green, blue, orange and pink. Yeah, they're full cover decals. So you could cut them any size you want. You could do full cover or you could just do half, little corner sections. So yeah, I really like them. I like them a lot actually. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there because it's ticked on a bit, hasn't it? Oh, I can't stop looking at this. I absolutely adore it. It's beautiful. I love it and I love my mats. But yeah, that's it for today guys. I will leave all links below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.